After successfully getting your PMP, you need to claim PDUs in order to maintain your certificate. You need 60 PDUs in 3 years. And in order to collect those PDUs throughout the 3 years, you need to claim them as soon as you have done any activities that could be reported in order to get PDUs. The PDU is professional development units, and you can get them either by doing some education or giving back to the community. In this example that I'm going to show you how to claim a PDU by giving back to community, and more precisely about doing a webinar. As you can see here, I have animated a webinar in which I have explained the applications of AI in project management, and the duration of that webinar was 1 hour. So I have logged into the CCRS system. You can go to this website, and after logging into your PMI account, you go to this category of giving back and you select give a presentation. And after selecting this, you will have to fill in some information about the webinar that you have done. For instance, this audience is about the entity who hosted the presentation. And for my case, it's Authorized Training Agency. So I will put here Authorized. Then the presentation title, I will put Exploring Applications of AI in Project Management. And here I put the description of the webinar. I can find it here in the details, an insightful session. Then the URL, it's optional, but I can put this URL, contact person optional, contact phone optional, email optional, then the date. The date of this webinar was 19th of May 2024. So I will put the date here and it ends at the same date. And I will claim the PDU for the PMP 1 hour and for the PMICP, because I have given some examples about construction management. So I can claim the same PDU for 2 certificates that I already have for PMI. And then I click here, submit, and that's all. You can see that's a pretty simple process. And after a while, I should expect an email saying that I have claimed a PDU. As you can see, in a few seconds, I have received an email saying that your PDU's claim has been approved, and I have received 2 emails because I have claimed the PDU for 2 certificates. As you can see, this one for Credential PMP and this one for Credential CP BEP, which is Certified Professional in the Built Environment Projects.